Hi, this is Lakshmi Lakanda Body Grand Fitness Show. Today is the workout only for high intensive the cardio workout. This exercise is only for do the any move only for 30 seconds 30 seconds. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for viewers. Thank you. Ready to fatafat start the warming exercises. Ready? Left to right to left hand stretch and hands left, right. Your choice. Left to right to left. Your choice. This exercise is the complete burn your high intensity of the calories workout. Okay, ready to start. First start just maximum go a little bit back and okay. Ready? Right leg is up. Right leg is hold it. If you first finish the right side and first almost finish on right side and again start with the, yes, up like this. Position is up. Okay, 4 seconds up and 1. Yes, each move 30 seconds only. Each move 30 seconds. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds and down. 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 Okay. Second move. Second move also 10 seconds slow and 10 seconds is medium, 10 seconds is high pass. Okay, ready? Kick your legs, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, 6, 7 seconds, 8, 9 seconds, 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, medium. 1, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, fully hit workout. 2, 3, fast maximum 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10. Okay, immediately just lay down. Third move. Just lay down and up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, 7, 8, just for 9, 10, last 20 more seconds, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Okay, here's a complete section. Okay, next exercise is plank position and lift the leg. Plank position and lift the leg. Yes, right leg should be plank position and right. Finish the right side. 2, 3, 4 seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more, 9 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only one more. Okay, finish the right side and again another exercise down. Move 30 seconds only. Complete down. This is half down and fully up. Half down and fully up. This is a complete burn abs and over upper body and down. Yes, up, down, down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. Finish the 30 seconds and another exercise is just for walking, hands walking down. Maximum walking on hands. Take the support and do it like this. Take the support and do the plank position and stretch your legs. 1. Yes, legs and hands walk like this. Hands and legs walk. Hands and legs. 30 seconds. Come on, ready. Maximum intensive burn your calories. Intensive burn your calories. Maximum is the high intensity of the calories burning workout. After that, simple this is exercise and get up like this. Just open side by side, walk and dips. Just legs should be open like this, a little bit of open. 1 and 2, fast. 1, 2. Yes, step by step. 1, 2. Step by step. 1, 2. And step by step. 1, 2 and step by step. 1, 2, and step by step, 1, 2, step by step, 1, 2, step by step, 1 and 2. This is complete max burn calories. Is the last move, and first round, last right side, finish the move. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only 1. It's a complete one side, right side is the first round is finished, and again first circuit, left side round. Okay, ready, start. Just lift the leg up and down, 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 lift the leg up and down. This is the first circuit, and left leg is first 10 minutes slow, 10 minutes medium, 10 minutes high intense slow, 10 minutes slow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now medium, good, 2, 3, 4, intense one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now fast, come, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10. Okay, again lay down position, and like this, yes, and both the legs, both the hands up and down, yes, 1, 30 seconds, 5 seconds, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds, remaining 20 seconds, yes, yes, very good. Every time is fast right, a maximum burn, maximum upper back, very strong this move. The complete like this exercise, and okay, after that, and third move, yes, just rolling lay down and do the exercise, yes, complete maximum like this, slowly down, off and fully up, down and fully up, down and fully up, down, every time down, off, the complete core and complete upper body strong, yes, yes, down, remaining 10 seconds only, yes, up, wait, yes, yes, pause. Okay, this exercise is completed, and next exercise, just go for walking, just step by step walking, and like this. Okay, yes, take the wall support and do it like this, yes, 1, yes, 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 maximum burn your calories 100%. Okay, next exercise is just get up side by side and jumping, side by side jumping, just 1, 2, and side by side 1, 2, and side by side 1, 2, 1, 2, yes, side by side 1, 2, and side by side 1, 2, and side by side 1, 2 is the complete as workout, and first round is the complete last exercises, 1, 2, like this 30 seconds, 1, 3. I will show only for 120 less repetition because of so many batches there. That's why I show only for today workout is very low impact workout. Okay, next, okay, if you take the water break, okay, good, take the water break, just hold it, water break. Next round is okay. First exercise movement complete like this. Right leg should be outside stretch. Keep your like this stretch and down, up and down. One, two. This is the effective one. Thighs, maximum burn your upper thighs. Okay, maximum burn and upper thighs. It's a complete meso calories burn. 30 seconds. Every move 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. After that, open your legs. Just simple open your legs. Open your legs. Keep your hand like this. Okay, touch. 1. 30 seconds. Touch. 2, 3. Maximum intense roll. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10. And come on, intense fast. Fast out, fast out, fast out. Intense fast out. And maximum burn just 100% calories down. And again, third one, third move. Second round, third move. And complete lay down like this. Open your legs, open your hands. Okay, open your legs and open your hands and up and down. Yes, maximum stretch and up and down. Yes, max. One, and one, and one, and one. Yes, this is a complete so burning workout. Okay, and again plank position. Open your legs. Plank position. Open your legs. Just right leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if you're not good, okay, do for like this plank jumps. Then if you look tapping your legs, tapping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, only 1. Okay, this is a tapping complete burn your calories. See the my sweat. Okay, next thing. Okay, just position right leg, right side. This is only for complete maso, and now is turn your hip position. Complete burn your hip. Okay, ready, start. Just like this, hold it 30 seconds. Just hold it 30 seconds and 30 repetition. Hold it 30 seconds. First 30 seconds. After 30 seconds finish, then do the repetition like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 8, 7. Good. 6, 5. Maximum burn your calories. Burn your hip position. Yes, extraordinary. One and stretch your leg. First, then another leg. Same right leg. Stretch your leg and stretch करके and just for turn your leg. Stretch करके turn your leg. Turn just for hold it 10 seconds and after that 10 seconds go for like this. 1, yes, 2 and turn back side. Turn back side. 4, 5, yes, 6, 7, 8. Maximum burn over hip. 9. Yes, 10. Glutes. Ultimate plan. Ultimate pain and burn over glutes. Okay, ready. And again, last one is and kick and stretch. Kick and stretch like this. Kick and stretch. Kick. 3. Yes. 4 and stretch. 5 stretch. 6 stretch. 7 stretch. 8 stretch. Yes. 9 stretch. Yes. 10 touch and then stretch like the complete burn here. Okay, and sides just lay down like this Vishnumurti like poses and keep your leg, left leg is like this, hold it L shape, right leg should be stretch and up and down. 1, that's 2, 3, 4, maximum. Any exercise do the 30 seconds only. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10. Come maximum 30 seconds. Okay, burn here and again this position is up. Just touch and stretch, touch and stretch, and touch and again stretch, touch and again stretch, touch and again stretch. Is a complete burn here, complete burn. And after that, simple lay down left to right also. Then if you exercise complete, yes, just lay down, just lay down, just keep your legs, left leg is just, so hold it like this, hold it like this, hold it, and basic planches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10, and down, and after that stretch your legs, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right, left to right, right to left, 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 left to right, right to left. Yes, this is the complete maximum burn here. Okay, complete burn, left to right, right to left, left to right, and right to left, left to right, and right to left, left to right, and maximum burn your calories here. Okay, after that just go for oblique crunches, oblique crunches, left to right, left, 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 right, touch, 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 yes, max burn our fat here. Okay, after that exercise just simple, just keep your hands is forward, like this, forward, keep your hand is forward, keep your hands is forward, like go for like this, up, just hold it like this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10, complete, man. This is the complete burn our calories, 100%. Your kill fat. Okay, then after that exercise, lay down, just position is hip up and down, hip up and down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, 10. Maximum. This workout is the complete burn your calories, and first upper body and second go for glutes, glutes, complete glutes and abs. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you viewers, and thank you.